On this Mori NZX machine with the CELOS CNC, we're gonna see how to change the language. Now, actually, the language is in Spanish. We're gonna select Windows Edit, and we're gonna replace. We're in auto mode, and we're gonna replace using the menu or the option that is below maintenance settings, and we're going to drag and drop maps configuration and close the edition. And in machine configuration we need to open system machine and common machine, and this is the number 5 is for Spanish, the option. Number 0 is for English, number 1 is for Japanese, number 2 is for German, number 3 is for French, and number 4 is for Italian. So let's put 0. Once you change the language, you need to save and hit OK, and you see the alarm now is in Spanish. So whatever language you select is gonna be all the information in that language. Okay, so the only thing that you need to do is to now shut down the CNC, not the machine, and then once it shuts down, you have to turn it back on using the button, power on button. Okay, let me show you how it's. Okay, so now and turn it back on, and that's it. The language that are gonna appear in English now. So as you see now, the labels are in English. Now the language is all in English. You have the status or machine condition or status monitor. This is the status monitor and this is the CNC. And let's check the alarm. You see now the alarm is in English. Okay? Thank you.